Hi all and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about one of the CS approach in styling, and this is called the inline CSS. What is inline CSS? Let's get started. Now, before we go to any further, I want us to remind ourselves on how to open this, and we open this by clicking this drop down menu and open git bash, and then we say python manage.py run server. When you look at this, it is online. This is online and online shop, and we want our project to read the web dev. We want our project to read our web dev. Let's see first of all how does it look like, and yes, this is not the one. So let's close. Let's go back. Let's switch this one off by Control C and come back here and Control C again and python manage.py run server. And it's still not working. Because it's not working, we can also do this Control C again, and we open it within the VS Code by typing code dot and yes, we have managed to open our web dev within the VS Code. Let me enlarge it. Let me close this one. And yes, now let's now get here and run it. Right by python manage.py run server. And yes, this one is still not this one is giving us an error, still an error. Yes, it has come. Now, we have this one as our project that we started last time, and it is this one that we have right here. So this one, we have this one right here, and we did it very, very, very successfully. But today, I want us take this project to next level by starting styling it, and therefore, in that website, we have seen that we are we are doing good, but we want to go even further and style our website page in HTML so that it can be good. So this means we are doing something good or we are doing right here, but we can even make it to look better and make it more, or to make it one of the most making it one of the most beautiful website of the current time by making it simple and well designed. So we can upgrade our personal website to look beautiful and take it from 1990s and bring it to the first or to the 21st century. So what we are going to do today, we are going to discuss about inline CSS. Inline CSS. Inline CSS means it is within the line. For example, let's come here and we take the body of this page. And the body of this page it is starting. Wait, no. This is another. Sorry. So we take this body, or we take the body of this page, and the body is here. So to change the web page color, we use the CSS property known as style. And the style, it gives us attribute known as background. And the background, we say what we want it to look like. Let's put that into practice. For example, we want style. We want to style the body for this matter. Style and style. We can give it background color. That is our CSS attribute. That is CSS attribute background color. And background color, you know, this is how the advantage of using the VS Code. It just gives you so many colors to choose one. For example, I can choose this color. Let me just pop it up again. I can choose this blue color and brown color. When I choose the brown color like that, I do I do the semicolon like that. By convention, the CSS has got separated. It is separated from the attribute to the value by the colon and the end. It is at the end we are terminating the whole code by a semicolon. Separation of the attribute and the value, colon, and the end of the line, it is semicolon. Now let's try and see whether this inline CSS has worked. Control S and come here and we come here and we refresh this page, and yes, it has changed the background. Now there is another way in which you can use this to change the background color. For example, we can come here. Sorry. We can come here, and instead of using this, you may be asking, how are we coming to make the web look brown? I want to give you an advice that whenever you want to get good in anything, you need to work for it. So yeah, I want to encourage you to Google and know some of your favorite sites and web pages and the resources which you can be getting the finest detail specifically for your need from the Google library. So here, you cannot either go for the MDN, that is Mozilla Developers Network. You can go to W Schools. You can also go to Google itself. You can also go to the Stack Overflow. All those, they are good sources. You choose one, but I recommend one known as uh, the the MDN, the Mozilla Development Network. So here, I want you to know that instead of this, and for your information, I'm going to link these links at the description of this video. So those who we share the group of the web developers, you see we do it right there. There is no problem. But those who don't share, or those who are not in the group, please, you can find it just there in the video description, so that you can be well. Now I will also share this colorhunt.co for the most beautiful colors ever to choose from, and that colorhunt.co will be giving you the following. Like, let's say we want to use the code instead of the color or instead of the word. We can use one I choose here known as EAF6 F6. EAF6 F6. And because of the power of the VS Code, you can see it is giving you so many variety you can choose anywhere. So that one, it is going to be also being given in the description of this video below. for you to learn more about these codes. Now we can just save and see whether it is still working like the other or not. So Control S and come here and refresh. Good. It has worked. It is good greenish, cool greenish kind of blue sky. So that's how we can use inline CSS. That's how we can use inline CSS. And when you look at this, you can see there is these horizontal lines, which we want also to modify a bit so that they are not so prominent in the page. And this, it is going to be having a challenge, because when you choose to modify a line such as this one, such as horizontal row, you'll find so many horizontal rows that are there. And because of so many horizontal rows that are there, now you will be having a very hard time, because you have to copy and paste every style, and copy and paste every style, and copy and paste every style. For the horizontal, you copy and paste. For this, you copy and paste. And if you don't do that, so they will not be uniform. So to avoid that kind of problem, we have another type of CSS known as the DJANGO CSS, and that is what we are going to discuss next time. Thank you and welcome. Goodbye.